Are you hoping to go on a nursery visit looking for some plants which are low maintenance and permanent? So friends, today's video is about growing low maintenance permanent plants for a beginner gardener who can grow these plants without any effort, or if you have no time to care for them, you can grow them without fertilizer. This is Anthurium. You can't grow these plants effortlessly because there's time you need and also care you must, because without caring these plants won't flower, and also they need time, and also these plants needs to be cared a lot. So Anthurium plants are not for beginners. Then what are the plants for beginner gardeners? Watch the video until the end so that you will know the plants that are ideal for you as beginner. Bird nest plant, beautiful big leaves, evergreen looking, and also adds beauty to your garden. Keep it in a shady corner, provide moisture, and also they need to be watered because these plants are moisture loving plants, very beautiful leafy plants. So one of the permanent and low maintenance plant. Beautiful alocasia, different varieties are also permanent and very low maintenance. Olias plants are low maintenance, permanent, and also ideal for your shady corner in the garden. Aloe vera, you can grow very easily, a medicinal plant and also a very useful in gardening because this is a rooting agent which you can use for your cuttings, stem cuttings, and this is one of the wonderful herb. Swiss cheese monstera, another low maintenance plant, a permanent plant, and also a beginner gardener's plant. You can grow them easily with a stem cutting. See to the plant growth with or without fertilizer. Sansevieria, very easy to grow plant, low maintenance and permanent. And these are air purifier plants too. You can multiply them very easily with time, no need of regular watering. Spider plant, which needs medium to partial sunlight, one of the best house plant and air purifier plant. You can grow them very easily, and these you can multiply by baby rates, and there are many videos that I have uploaded how to care for this plant. They fit into any small planters, beautiful variegated looking plants. So friends, this is also another house plant which is low maintenance and permanent. Any new beginner gardener can grow this plant very easily. This is philodendron. You don't need to water them every day if you have kept them as an indoor plant. This is one of the low maintenance and permanent plant, very easy to grow and look after. Beautiful variegated leafy plant. There are many varieties also of this. This is golden philodendron. Umbrella plant, you can grow from stems. You can propagate them very easily. Low maintenance plant and a permanent plant. Lucky bamboo belongs to the family of Dracaena, and they also grow from stems, and this is another low maintenance and a permanent plant, and also you can propagate them easily in water. This is ideal for a beginner gardener too. Rubber plant, another beautiful house plant, indoor plant and also outdoor plant. Keep it in the shade, and this is also low maintenance and permanent plant. Ficus triangula, this is the variegated one. Look at the leaves, they are so beautiful. This you can grow with a single stem cutting, and this is another low maintenance and permanent plant. I have put it in a huge planter, ample space for this. Senna plants also are very low maintenance and permanent plants. There are many varieties as well. Varieties of Aralia plants are also low maintenance and permanent, which you can grow from stems. You can prune them time to time so that you will see them, the growth of the plant is amazing, and also you will see them bushy and thicker. So this is one of the varieties of Aralia, and here I have another variety. So these plants also you can grow as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant, and these plants doesn't need any fertilizer. So time to time pruning them will be really very beneficial for the plant growth. See that you keep them in the shady area in the outdoor garden. Maintenance and permanent. Aglaonema plant varieties, ideal for a beginner gardener, and also this is a shade loving plant. You can put them in small planters as well, and also this is another plant which doesn't need any fertilizer to grow, low maintenance and permanent. Pandanus plants also low maintenance and permanent, no need of any fertilizer. You can grow them by dividing and also multiply very easily. So these plants also you can keep at the semi-shade or else partial to medium sunlight and bright indirect sunlight area. And this is another variegated leafy plants, a beautiful plant for your outdoor garden as well. Best house plant too. So this is another low maintenance and permanent plant. And here I have the money pothos plants. There are many varieties. Now here I have the neon pothos and the golden pothos in one plant. And this also a permanent plant, a low maintenance plant, a shade loving plant. You can grow them as a beginner too. Put this near a parapet wall, the whole area will be covered in a short period of time because these plants grows like weeds. No need of fertilizer as well. This is another house plant which you can grow very easily. This is Syngonium, one of the varieties. You can grow this indoors and outdoors both. This is one of the plants that is loving the shade, and also this is low maintenance and permanent. Fits into any small planters and ideal for a corner in your garden. This is when talking about low maintenance and permanent plants, this is one of the plants that I love to describe. This is Erica palm, which needs ample space to grow and also multiply by dividing. Erica palm plants are air purifier plants approved by NASA and also one of the best house plants. So green and also very easy to maintain. Low maintenance and permanent. This is ideal for a beginner gardener, and also this is another plant which you can keep indoors as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. Make sure to keep it in the shady area. Easy plant, another beautiful evergreen plant, a beautiful house plant. You can grow them indoors and outdoors both, and they love the shade. And this is another plant which is low maintenance and permanent. You can grow them from a single cutting of leaf and also from stems. Propagate them in water or directly in soil. Or would you like to grow some permanent low maintenance plant? This is snake plants. They are low maintenance and permanent, no need of fertilizer. You can grow them from a leaf cutting, and also you can separate them and multiply them easily. And this is a plant where you don't have to water them on regular basis. Snake plant, known by NASA as one of the best air purifier plants. So this is a low maintenance and permanent plant.